Singing the national anthem Jana Gana Mana has been made compulsory at all madrasas in Uttar Pradesh from Thursday, an official said. The registrar of the Uttar Pradesh Madrasa Education Board, S.N. Pandey, also issued an order to this effect to all the district minority welfare officers on May 9th. According to the decision taken in the board meeting on March 24th, the singing of the national anthem at the time of prayer at all madrasas across the state has been made mandatory. He said regular classes at the madrasas began on May 12th after the Ramzan holidays and the order came into effect on the same day. The order said that before the commencement of classes, the national anthem will be sung by teachers and students from the upcoming academic session in all recognized, aided and non-aided madrasas in the state. The district minority welfare officers have been tasked to ensure compliance of the order.